Chest workout. Exercise 1. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Today, we're starting with the dumbbell incline fly. Keep your feet firm on the floor and push the weights up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to dumbbell fly. This targets your upper chest. Control the weight on the way down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Next up is the barbell incline bench press chest. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and feel the stretch across your chest. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do barbell guillotine bench press chest. This is the best bodyweight exercise for chest thickness. Keep your core tight and go for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the barbell bench press chest. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts.